In this video, I will be sharing the common CAC questions with you, coupled with their answers, and I'm sure that you will definitely find this interesting and educative. Now, let's get to it. Hi friend, welcome to my channel. This is Mike Akerele, aka Awesome Mike. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I share content on crypto, sales and marketing, and any topic that will make life easier, better, and richer for you. So feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell now so you will be the first person to discover new content when published. Go ahead and subscribe now. It's free. Yes, it's free. I'm waiting for you. Subscribe now. Okay, thank you for that. Let's proceed. Before we continue, understand that I might not be able to answer all your questions in this single video, but these are the most common or frequently asked questions which can help you. And if you have any other questions that's not mentioned in the course of this video, then feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will reply to it as soon as I can. Let's begin. The first one on my list says, what does a business and a company name mean? These are two questions in one, but I will answer them one after another. A business name is the name you want people to remember when they think about your business. It's as simple as that. Sometimes it might be your own name or a customized name suitable for that particular business. For example, Life Global Enterprises is the business name where people get to become superhumans and live an extraordinary life through our online educational courses, mentoring programs, community activities, and many more. But a company name simply means you register your business under a particular name, but in a legal way binded by law. For example, after your business name has been registered as a company name, it means you can use this name, let's say Life Global Enterprises, and enjoy the same benefits or rights just as yourself or any other person, because your company is now standing as an entity or like a human being, although without no strings. No strings, yeah, without no strings. This means your company name can now own properties, it can employ workers and make profits. It can incur debts, it can sue or also be sued under the same name. Note this, a company name can be private or public. A private company name will have a pty.ltd at the end of their names, which means proprietary limited. They don't offer shares to the general public except no more than 50 non-employee shareholders. And public company names on the opposite side will have ltd at the end of their names, which stand for limited liability companies. They offer shares to the general public. Let's go to the next question. Can I do my CAC registration myself? Yes, you can register your business name yourself since it does not require too much documents that you can't handle. And by watching this video series to the end, you will be able to register your business name easily without hassles. But for a company name, if this is not what you do and if you can't do a lot of research, it's advisable you give it to an expert, because there would be involvement of so many things you might not be able to handle alone, but you can work with an expert on it. To the next question, does CAC registration expire? No, but once you have registered your business or company name with CAC, you don't need to renew it, but you must file an annual return with CAC, which you need to give to an expert unless you know how to run it yourself. Next question. Can you change your business name with CAC? Yes, you can. And once the name has been approved, the name will come with a new certificate plus the updated business name. To the next question. Can I register my business with CAC and print the certificate online? Yes, you can register your business with CAC online and also download the certificate easily once the business name has been approved. Next question, can I upgrade my business name to a company? Yes, of course. If your intention is to expand your business, you can upgrade your business name to a limited company, but you have to ensure that the filing of your annual returns of your business is up to date. Let's take a look at this last question for today. How much is it to register a business name in Nigeria? With the CAC official filing for registration of a business name online, it costs around 10,200 naira, including bank charges at the moment of creating this video. So here is the bonus question for hanging out with me till this moment. How long does it take for CAC to approve a business name? Well, I will say it depends on the individual in the process of registration, but if there are no issues with your registration, CAC certificates take 48 hours or more to be ready. Currently, you should expect your registration to be successful within 30 days if there is no query in the registration process and all goes well. And that's the wrap for this video. Now is the time for you to hit the like button on this video so YouTube algorithm can recommend it to others who need to see it too. Go ahead and like this video now. It's free. Yes, it's free. In my next video, I will be revealing 7 major differences between a business name and company name. So be sure to tune in for the next episode. This will be the end of today's video. Did you enjoy this video? Then consider giving it a like if you haven't. Subscribe to this channel and share this video link with one friend who can't afford to miss it. Which other question is on your mind concerning CAC registration? Feel free to leave it in the comment section. I reply to all comments as fast as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Mike Akerele, aka Awesome Mike. God bless you. See you in the next video.